all ready to order. Do you have any questions at all?
I want cured trout, please.
Wagyu? The David Blackmore Wagyu, fantastic.
I do, and also the souffle. Thank you.
Team, service has started.
Yes, chef.
Okay?
Yes.
Chef.
Right? Yes, chef.
Clean out your section right now. Okay, butter your most, butter your most.
Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. You don't
Yeah.
need it. You need your slicer.
I've got 8 things that need to go on this plate, and like 4 of them need to be made fresh to order.
Sweat the shallots off in butter, and then add the vinegar, and then add the pears, and then add the...
Just like this.
Yep. Okay. So plating up this dish is going to be quite tough.
Okay, chef. First
Okay.
order in.
Thank you. All right, Samaj, 2 egg, 2 trout, 2 beef, 2 barra, 2 souffle, 2 mandarin.
Yes, chef.
First orders come in, and I start trying to pipe my truffle puree, and I'm shaking.
Bigger.
Yeah.
Less puree.
Okay.
I almost can't remember what this dish even looked like, let alone how to put it together, and it just feels so beyond me.
I need these 4 egg now. You need to move. You need
Yes,
to motor.
chef.
I need to peel the egg yolks fresh to order, but you have to be really delicate because the egg yolks will just break. And I'm doing it well, but I'm just doing it too slowly.
Steve, you're going to have to give her a hand, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. You're 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. We're going to have to do it again if you don't hurry.
Okay,
Come on.
what goes next?
I'm trying so hard, but I just cannot keep up.
Service has started and I am under the pump. I'm still prepping. Time's against me, but if I don't keep going, I'm just going to keep falling behind. So I've finally sliced the beef. I need to roll it up, skewer it, brush it with onion jam, and then char grill it.
No, hang on, mate. Hang on, hang on.
Too thin.
Yeah, mate. It's all over the shop. Every single one is different size. So, see what you've just done then?
Yeah.
Okay. Detail.
Yep. Vidamon's a 3-headed restaurant, so they expect nothing but perfection. I didn't cut it perfectly, so I have to do it again.
Whatever beef goes out, I want it to be the best.
Yes, chef.
Okay?
Yes, chef.
Don't spoil it. Okay?
I've got 10 portions of beef ready. It's not going to be enough to get through service. I've just got to try and keep pumping them out.
3 egg, 3 trout, 3 beef, 3 souffle. No. More gentle, more accuracy. You just threw that salt on.
Shannon's concerned with the amount of salt I'm putting on the eggs. I need to get this seasoning just right, otherwise I'll ruin the balance of the dish.
So we've got to be accurate.
1 minute.
1 minute. Service is really challenging. The standards are definitely higher than I thought.
Hang on. Is the sauce on? Sauce before the pear. Sauce before the pear. Come on.
Yes, Shannon.
Steve's trout dish is ready, but he can't send his dish out without mine being ready, so I've really got to get a move on because I'm now holding up service.
Steve.
Yes, chef.
Okay, Emelia, start again.
It's taking me so long to get these plates ready that now the egg yolks have gone cold. Shannon is not happy, and now I have to start again.
It's too slow.
Where do I put them, Steve?
Hot wash.
Hot wash.
I've had to throw away 4 plates with duck eggs and truffles on them, which are very expensive ingredients.
I'm sorry.
So I'm starting to waste some serious cash here.
You're like 9 dishes behind.
Yep.
Come on, just hurry, Emelia, come on.
I feel like I'm a bit of a sinking ship at the moment. Just catch up and then I'll be fine.
We got to get this going. All right, so egg whites.
Yes. It's time to get on to making the meringue for my souffle mix.
To do a good, perfect souffle is really about whipping it nice and firm. Yep.
It needs to be perfect, and there's a reason people are intimidated by souffles. They're not easy. I'll fold the meringue through the creme patissiere.
Yep. Whisk it in, put it in the pipe bag.
Once I've got the souffle mix into the bag, I need to pipe it into the molds. And it's all about making sure those molds are full.
Okay, so scrape it down. Scrape it down with the spatula.
If there's any air pockets, it's going to affect the way it rises, and either it'll be lopsided or you'll have cracks around the edges.
I need another 6 plates up for 6 egg, please.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Service is just completely hectic.
Got 9 egg on in total, okay? 9 egg. Straight after that, I need you to do 5 more.
Yes, chef.
I'm getting 9 orders or 7 orders or 5 orders at a time, and it's expected to be perfect.
Chef, got a big fingerprint, hold. What have we got here? What's that? Big fingerprint, right there. Okay. 1 more egg over, please.
1 more egg?
Yes. Fingerprint on that plate.
I need to go faster and faster, but When I do speed up, it's not good enough and it's just making me fall further and further behind.
Entree's gone on 3.
Thank you.
Oh, this is a first course, the entree. Eggs on toast. And Emelia has been preparing this. I think she's having a tough time in the kitchen.
But I'm looking at that and thinking it looks beautiful, and I can smell, you know, that apple cider. I can smell the truffle. Wow. Low salt.
The balance with this dish is everything. The consistency of the yolk, the temperature of the yolk, the salt, and I'm finding it really salty.
In terms of a restaurant like this, where seasoning is crucial, you've got to be very judicious with the salt. And of course, that's one of the things you don't see when you're at the pass, because this dish comes out kind of hidden with that covering of the little pear, and the head chef hasn't seen it. When you get past that, delicious.
For me, it's all about the yolk and the truffle. You know, because truffle's so expensive, it's got to shine, it's got to sing, and that truffle puree is absolutely delicious. And then you get that smooth and unctuous egg yolk. That's a great combination.
Not the normal egg on toast I would thought of, but it's very nice. The truffle, it's very tasty. Definitely up there with the usual experience of Beauty Monde, which is fantastic.
It's beautiful. It's really flavoursome. It's quite different in terms of the mix of flavours with truffle, and yes, it's beautiful.
Okay, Samaj, 3 trout, 1 egg, 1 beef, 3 barra.
Chef.
I'm definitely falling behind in plating.
Samaj, 4 egg, 4 beef, 4 souffle.
Yes, chef. I'm trying to get all of these plates together so that everything looks perfect and none of it gets sent back. But it's just spiralling out of control for me.
You're doing a great job, but I need you to speed up.
Yes.
Okay?
I'm just too slow.
I've now got 2 chefs on working with you.
All I'm doing is separating the eggs and other chefs are plating the whole dish for me.
You're taking a back seat, Emelia. You're taking a back seat. Come on. You're meant to be running this section.
Yes, chef.
2 egg, 2 trout, 2 beef, 2 barra, 2 souffle, 2 mandarin.
Yes, chef.
All right, let's go.
Orders are coming in, and I know that this beef is going to run out quickly.
Brush both sides and season salt.
Yes, chef.
I've got lots of orders in, and I don't have enough beef prepared. As soon as these ones are done, I have to get more on.
I just need to make more during service, otherwise I'm going to have no food to serve. But while I'm prepping, I'll have to be plating up as well, and the presentation in this dish is so intricate. I need to get all of the apple paper thin to fold over and under the beef.
Okay, is that neat? You happy with that?
You're going 2 beef, 2 barra, guys. Then I want you to get ready on 3 beef, 3 barra.
The orders are really piling up on me.
5 barra, 3 beef.
5 barra, 3 beef.
I can't actually keep up with the amount.
You gotta work on these ribbons. You gotta be nice and tight, okay? Okay. Yep.
I can't plate up 10, 15 dishes at a time when it's taken me 3 or 4 minutes to do one. I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed if I don't get help. People will be sitting there with no food.
Brent?
Yeah, the cavalry's arrived. They've got so many orders.
I want you to start owning it a bit more, okay? Over these plates, okay?
Shannon's giving me the licence to be delegating duties to Beauty Monde chefs today. This is my spot in the competition at stake, so I need to really step it up.
I want you leading this and I want you talking.
Yes, chef.
I've got the final 4 tables in. Okay, I've got 2 trout, 2 egg. Samaj?
I've got 7 dishes left to go and I want to plate all of these 7 by myself.
Do the last ones on your own?
Yes, I am. Okay. I think surely I can do this. 10 minutes is an ample amount of time to get these dishes up. I just want to prove to myself and to Shannon and to Steve that I can actually plate a dish up.
Emelia?
Yes.
How long have we got?
We got 6 minutes.
I need it quicker than 6 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes to get everything up. Come on, starting now.
Yes, chef.
Didn't expect this challenge to be this difficult.
Eggs up, Steve.
But I put the final dish out, entrees over, and I'm just relieved. I really want to be a part of this industry. But today, I just had a really rough day.
That was so much harder than I thought it was going to be, and I really struggled with it.
Chef, we'll just get 1 tablespoon of foam on the side of the beef here.
I'm starting to take control.
Pineapple sage, 1 on top, 1 on the side. You get one more roasted onion on that.
I'm delegating duties to the other chefs.
And 1 spoon of potato foam on there.
And it's starting to really flow smoothly, and I'm really enjoying it now.
I'll do these 2. Do you want to top the last 3?
How you doing there, Brent?
Yeah, 10 seconds, Chef.
This is my dish and it's not going out unless I'm happy with it.
All good. Beef's up.
Get out much? Wow. They all look spot on, don't they?
Yes.
He's done a good job, hasn't he?
You've done a really good job.
Let's taste. When those 3 dishes got put up, I looked at that main course and went, I feel sorry for the person that has to cook that. So many processes, so many components, and what Brent has put up is a delicious beef dish, full of flavour.
I can't really find fault, to be honest. I mean, every component is, I think, as it's supposed to be. That little emulsion on the side there is really soft and delicious. You can taste the mustard, you can taste the vinegar, you can taste the potato. The beef cooked beautifully. You get that intensely, you know, jammy flavour from that shallot jam in the middle. I'm trying to find things that I go, what's different about this one versus Shannon's?
This dish for me is all about that beef and the lovely smoky chain it's got on from the grill and that tongue, bone marrow, shallot dressing. Those two things together are rich and delicious. I think he's done a really good job, Brent. I'm really impressed.
I'm very impressed too.
Come on. Wagyu beef is absolutely delicious. It is possibly the most tender beef I've ever had in my life. Lovely, yeah.